హాయ్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చదువుకుని మన డేటాని ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకుందాం. సో క్వశ్చన్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడంటే ఏ ప్యారల్ బీమ్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ ఆఫ్ వేవ్ లెంత్ 6000 యాంగ్స్ట్రామ్స్. ఏ ప్యారల్ బీమ్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ ఆఫ్ వేవ్ లెంత్ 6000 యాంగ్స్ట్రామ్ మీన్స్ ఓకే వేవ్ లెంత్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 6000 యాంగ్స్ట్రామ్ యూనిట్. That means lambda equals to 6000 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. After is incident on a thin glass plate of refractive index 1.5. That means refractive index mu equals to 1.5 such that the angle of refraction into the plate is 50 degrees. That means r equals to 50 degrees given. Okay, what do we need to calculate? Find the least thickness of the glass plate which will appear dark by reflection. So least means when n equals to 1 it is least. Okay, at that instant we need to calculate the thickness. Okay, condition is dark condition. In the dark condition, so in the dark condition, for the dark condition is path difference should be equals to the n lambda. Okay, what is the path difference? Actually path difference equals to formula 2 mu t cos r equals to n lambda. We need to find out t. That implies we need to write to t equals to n lambda. It is n lambda by 2 mu into cos r. 2 mu into cos r. N is how much? N is 1. Lambda is 6000 into 10 power minus 8 divided by 2 into 1.5 into cos of 50 degrees. So cos 50 degrees if you are taking, so first of all we need to cancel 2 into 3000 times. Okay, so 1.5 will also cancel in it. If you are simplify this one, finally we will get okay, it is nearly 3111 into 10 power minus 8 centimeters.